Hi, I am Kaka, and I guess it's an exciting life in my 30s. I think there's one at the front of the Yeah,
When I came in, they were just setting up our record.
that's so weird. Maybe it's the people. Sometimes when they know Lagosians will come late, so they have
I
adjusted
was
their
actually going to
time.
tell you that. Are you sure that we do not do like 8:30?
So even their reservation said anytime they're coming before 9.
Yeah,
I think because this is like their major.
But I even put didn't I even put the 7 because I knew that
People will come.
we're gonna have people here.
Like,
and this is like their major night, so I'm sure they have a lot of.
yeah. Thursdays they are maybe
I don't know why I didn't carry my child. That's what I shopping money now.
Show us the way
sir.
now. Show us the way.
I beg,
was
sir.
gonna call you, please. How much you used to charge for com strategy? Let me be sure that I'm not losing money.
I'm sure we are. I'm not even.
No, I've always been, but I don't want to anymore.
That's I'm sure.
I have 2 coming up.
the cheapest I've ever tried. It depends on the skill.
This one is larger.
I'm not going to sit in front of my system and do it.
That was that simple.
So even they are trying to set up, so
Somebody
they're
told
still
me
trying to
that
clear
the
up
table
a
is actually
couple of.
It's outside. Do they know what the
Maybe
table
she's trying to
is?
set up a table outside because I told her
No,
that
but they
I
already
want
clearly
this
told me.
Because she
On
said
the
when they
email.
start the live band, we're supposed to go
We
outside.
should go outside.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, maybe.
Whatever makes
Please sit
her
down.
happy.
Welcome. You don't accept show.
Let them call you already. Okay.
Because when you shorten the name, it distorts it.
So you won't take it, Timmy?
On a call today, on a call this evening, one guy had a very long name, so I was trying to be polite and mention the full name. The guy said, I said, don't worry, Edward, just call me. I said, God bless you, my brother.
Yeah, God will accept it.
I was not sure that
If he knows. Is that your mother it?
I said, bros, I don't
Is it
know.
that your mother the name or
That your
not?
mother is
Define Mr. Chop Life. Nobody
Chop
enjoys
life.
life more than this.
in the chop life now.
Chop life here.
Last person we chop life like I'm like hush puppy.
No,
Ever since I knew this boy.
it's enjoyment. Enjoyment.
And before
I love this for you actually.
The only thing I used to see
I love this. So if everybody is doing this thing that is just anyhow, vibrational and anyhow, there's a problem, oh you guys.
But I think that's the same thing with like America.
We have a problem.
They do very shallow.
And we have cloud. Why doesn't make us telling me that you're going there? I actually don't have plans, I'm just joking. I don't care about what the baby girl Okay, I found what I was looking for. The only issue with here is like the charging port is a bit far, so most times I have to move and sit on the item, which I don't want to. At least not now, so I'll still move there later. But at least my gadgets are a bit charged, even with my laptop. And I've ordered a cappuccino as usual. So I can't remember if MTN works here. One of my networks don't work well here. If it's MTN or my Airtel. I'm hoping it's my MTN that works here. Because okay, yeah, it's my MTN that works here. Because that's why I have like data. I mistakenly recharged 50k. I recharged 50k. And I just used everything for data because I don't have a. I'd rather do that than anything else. So.
Flying through the clouds, I see you in the crowd. Just know I got you. You ain't gotta say my name. You ain't gotta say my name. And you ain't gotta say a thing. Just know that I am here. You ain't gotta say my name. You ain't gotta say my name. And you ain't gotta say a thing. Just know that I am here. Fly, let's go get away. Take my hand, let's go levitate. Don't think or blink, let's just be the light. Feel the warmth of my hug and my might. See, I know you gon' like it here, shining like you gold. You won't have no nightmares if I hold you close. I will help you fight fears, take away the ghosts. Flying through the light, yeah, stars we approach. They don't shine as bright as you, yeah, you like a flame. When you wanna be saved, just say my name. I'ma be by your side, I will never sway. Catch you if you fall, I am one call away, yeah. Let me just wipe your eyes. Feel free with no more cries. Take flight with me right now. And tell them my name business. Pow. You ain't gotta say my name. You ain't gotta say my name. And you ain't gotta say a thing. Just know that I am here.
Years, people start asking, when are you leaving? I'm like, can I enjoy myself? Don't worry about when I'm leaving, because I'll give a recap, I'll tell them about the girls, the guys, because I think when I got to understand like the culture of everything, and for me, Lagos is not, 30 December in Lagos, it's not just, it's something that you have to be there to be able to explain it to other people. You have to live that life to be able to tell people like, this is what it is. Like when I go back to Canada, I'm from Montreal, Canada, by the way. The French part, is boring as hell. I drive myself now. I don't care. But it's like you can do whatever at whatever time, and everything is calm because people in Lagos on the island, they just want to party. They just want to party and have a good time. Literally, there's no, and I want to steal this. I want to. Nobody has time. And there's a part in my book that I'm so excited to read to you guys, where I talk about how
first we have the account number here. These books are for sale. It's not for this amount is for an average person out there, but you are anybody here, you are family and friends. So I
can't wait.
Am I lying?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. My mom.
Depends how deep the cut is. And I think these women definitely hurt very deeply. And the hurt isn't just what you see, it's what you don't see. It's
So I just need to say one more thing. It was really amazing as cinematography and actors and all the stories and absolutely amazing show. Amazing. Thank you so much. Enjoy it. Good night. At a shoot, and I need to shoot for Culture Capital. I don't even know if I might end up using the pictures, but I want to have something extra aside my previous headshots. The Nigerian creative sector is now what the Nigerian creative sector is now worth over $6 billion, and we're not trying to treat it as value. It's worth over $6 billion. Yes, there's still a gap between my interest and how it's valued. So I'm at the end of the shoot now, and I made a couple of videos. I hope I end up putting those out, but for sure the pictures will go up. And yeah, I'm just trying to round things up, quickly get back home and see if I can get to the gym today. I pray I do. But yeah, I look cute. Hmm.
Things are against us, but yet we keep pushing, we keep producing, we keep sharing our content. The world keeps noticing, and we keep saying we're not going to give up. In spite of the big boys leading us, we say we're not giving up. You have to celebrate the spirit of the average Nigerian still, no matter what anyone says. To buy a film that I spent $2 million producing in Nigeria. We have limited platforms. So again, we're handicapped.
I see a lot of our friends in the house. Who's our people poetry? I see you, I greet you, I hear you.
The filmmaking aspect of the Nigerian, of our industry. So those are some of the things that we really need to critically look at.
I get you very much, Stephanie, and you don't need to respond to this last one because you mentioned how should we be signing co-production deals, which is important so that we do not have a film that was celebrated in Cannes as a Nigerian film and then all of a sudden is being sent to the Oscars by
because Nigeria is not your money. You did not fund the film. The people who funded the film, it's a Nigerian story, but it's not Nigerian money. Yes.
Why was it announced in Cannes as the first?
No, I think maybe it's a mistake because I think the people were not. Maybe the people were the producers did not know.
Doing good work and years of doing good of networking and years of staying relevant. So I have a great network. Often I would get at that
My vlog is about 40 something minutes long. You know what that's what you
Smile. Yeah. We're gonna do this one the very right way.
I can baby twerk, so that's my pleasure. Hey, baby twerk. Baby twerk. I'm gonna use this. I'm still alive.
So I think I'm the girlies hyper. So I'm gonna hype girls. Stop reacting. So anything you're doing, yeah, you feel shy. That's not my hype. Yeah, you need to get
just want you to be happy. When someone tries to touch your scars, it doesn't seem to cure at all. Nothing's gonna be any better. I'll love you ever and day.
Give it back.
Thank you so much. This?
Oh, this is nice. Ooh. That's quality.
My
goodie bag.
Yeah, I've been admiring it since.
Sorry, let me get you.
Wait, what's this?
Open the bag and
Premium
add
gloves.
like
Oh,
soap.
Oh, okay. But I didn't move inside.
No, put it in.
I left the bag inside. Oh. So yes, you can open another one.
Okay. So yeah.
So whose is this? I just saw
Anyone
here.
else's. To be honest, yeah.
I just saw here, so I was like,
So I have to replace the special one.
really?
Yes. I do.
Okay, so let me open it.
Yes, we open it.
Yeah.
Or do you have to do it?
Yeah, it was a picture.
Let's look at that one, please. I didn't know it was a picture.
Exactly. It was supposed to be
Try the flavor.
Better? And it's clean. Please, what do we do with this?
Of our nose.
Do we get
Yeah.
take the scent?
Yeah, of course.
Can I get a bottle?
No.
My 30s have been interesting. It's that stage where life doesn't slow down for you. You just learn to move differently. I'm building a career, building a brand, building a life, and somehow still trying to build myself. It's actually wild. Some days I'm locked in, focused, strategic, and ready. Other days life hits you with a reminder. Hey, you're still human. You can be ambitious and exhausted, grateful and overwhelmed, strong and still figuring it out. Being a founder in your 30s is a different kind of duality. You're carrying responsibilities, expectations, and vision. But you're also carrying emotions you don't always have space to process. It's the soft moments you don't post, the tough moments you push through because you don't have a choice. But what I've learned is this: growth isn't dynamic, it's quiet. It's a decision to get up again, to plan again, to try again, even when you're tired. Your 30s would humble you, strengthen you at the same time. They'll force you to look inward and still step forward. And honestly, I'm learning to let the journey shape me without hardening me. To love the life I'm building, even in the days that I don't feel perfect. This is the season of becoming, the season of clarity, the season where I finally understand myself. And I'm still becoming more.
This one you can see,